Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I wanted to mow the lawn because it was getting really long again after about a week, but the grass is too wet, so I'm having a real tough time mowing it. At first I got discouraged. I was like, kind of wasting my time here, I got to get back. But then I realized, hey, I could do something else, so make the best of the situation. So what I did instead was I stopped mowing, and then I dug in that post, which was an old Christmas tree that I got. If you haven't seen my video about how I made my own mulch, check that out. There were a couple of big posts left over, so that one and this guy here, I got those in the ground, and I'm going to be running some string across them, and maybe one more in the middle somewhere. Although it's been really hard to dig these in. There was a lot of rock underneath this. Once I go about a foot down, it's like all rock. So I don't know. Anyway, maybe I'll just get something that'll like lean. Like I got two little old wooden ladders. I might use those and just run some strings between the posts to keep the raspberries up. But hey, I figure, what the heck, why not? And then one other thing I did was for that post, I dug up some old, some little raspberries, some new ones, and I got those planted up here. Right underneath the fence there. I don't know if they'll hold there or if they'll take, I should say, but we'll see. And another thing is, like, I didn't want to start planting up there until I have all the retaining walls done. But then I thought, well, why wait? Because that's going to be so long from now. I may as well just start planting some stuff up there now, and if needed, if it takes, I can move it again later if I need to, but at the very least maybe it'll produce some fruit. It's going to take me quite a while to finish up this wall here, so I might not even get to that upper part this year, and in that case I might get some strawberries up there next year. So anyway, and I also planted some back there by the elderberry bushes between them. So yeah, anyway, just wanted to share that quick update, and see you in the next one. Bye.